Hello, and Happy New Year, and welcome to Stocks and Tarot. In this channel, we explore the world of finance through the magic of tarot. I've received a couple of requests to do a video about Tesla. So in this first video of 2023, we're going to take a look at what the tarot has to say about this popular company and its financial future. I wanted to mention as well that this channel is for entertainment purposes only. I'm a mystic and a tarot reader, but I am not a financial advisor or a financial expert. Nothing in this video constitutes as financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell or invest in any stock or security whatsoever. Please consult a certified and professional financial advisor before making any financial or investment decisions. Before I get on to this latest reading, I wanted to add to the context of my last video, which was based on what 2023 has in store for the stock market. During that video, my last video, I had discussed the meaning of the Two of Cups, and the Two of Cups represents pairings, partnerships, contracts, joining forces, and negotiations. I felt that we would see positive benefits in 2023 resulting from negotiations and trade. But I also wanted to add that I saw in this card positive developments in 2023 resulting from mergers and acquisitions as well. Now, I didn't emphasize this much in my last video, but I did feel a strong need to mention it, so I'm doing so here. So I guess we'll see if 2023 stands out in regards to mergers and acquisitions as the year unfolds. So now on to the current spread. The question I asked the tarot for this video was, what does the tarot have to say about Tesla in 2023? Before we get to the answer, though, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. This is a new channel, and I very much appreciate those who are taking an interest in supporting what I'm doing here. I really appreciate the requests for content as well. I'm in this for the long haul, and the likes, comments, and subscriptions really help me grow this channel, so thank you. Now, on to the reading. For this reading, I did my usual 3-card spread. The cards represent the recent past, the current situation, and the near future. In this spread, there were 3 jumper cards. So, and I also checked out the card at the bottom of the deck as usual to get an idea of what lies at the root of this reading and what the tarot has to say about current market sentiment. And the bottom card, as I've mentioned before, also speaks to hidden influences and hidden meanings. So here we go. So for the spread, in the recent past, the card I pulled was the 3 of Swords. Now, this is not a nice card, and it represents heartbreak, tears, sadness, and grief. Keywords for the 3 of Swords would be financial loss, a loss of assets, a division of assets, financial stress. The 3 of Swords speaks to arguments and anger, angry words, painful growth, unhappiness in business, troubles ahead, a lack of communication and strife, and financial instability. Needless to say, in a financial reading, this is not a good card to pull. But, however, to me, this is the perfect card to pull regarding Tesla's recent past. I think it speaks very well to the grief and heartbreak that shareholders are most likely feeling as they watch Tesla's stock price collapse over the last little while. Now, with that said, the 3 of Swords also says that this period will go away. So I guess chin up. It's temporary, and it won't last forever. For the current situation, I pulled the Death card, reversed position. Now, this is always a startling card to pull in a reading, even in the reversed position. But the Death card points to the death of one situation or era and the beginning or new life of another. So it's a card of change and profound change. Sometimes it can mean, in a reverse position, a fear of change. It can mean repeating negative patterns, resisting change. It can speak to stagnancy, decay, a failure to adapt to financial loss, continuing unhealthy financial habits, and financial crisis being imminent. So that's reversed death. So it has a different spin, definitely. When it appears reversed, it represents an opportunity to embrace change rather than resist it. In this position, I feel it's telling us that the historic climb that Tesla took in the recent past is no longer the case, and a new era for Tesla is imminent. I think there is a lot of denial in the hearts and minds of Tesla shareholders who are reluctant or refusing to understand that Tesla is entering a new era. The other cards in the spread will shed more light and clarity on this situation. Now, I'm moving on to the near future. The near future, the card I pulled was the Three of Cups and, again, reversed position. Now, this is an interesting card to pull. It tells us that the Tesla party is over and that the celebration is over. Keywords would be, for the Three of Cups reverse, would be gossip, scandal, excess, isolation, loneliness, solitude, overspending, financial stress, giving beyond your means, stock price overpriced based on Tesla's fundamentals. Is that what it means? It's hard to say. Tesla shareholders got swept up in the euphoria of the stock's recent ascent. The price decline also has something to do with the words and actions of Elon Musk, and in addition to the company's recent numbers. Now, this card in the near future position indicates that the recent stress on Tesla's share price will continue for a while, and that we will see more drama from Elon Musk. But it can also indicate an individual who shines brightly when things are going well, but struggles when dealing with challenges and obstacles. One only has to look at the debacle that has unfolded at Twitter since Elon Musk got involved to see an example of this. Moving on, clarity cards. So I had three jumpers, and to me, jumper cards add clarity to a reading. So the first jumper card that I pulled was the Knight of Cups. Now, keywords for the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups represents an idealist. Think of Prince Charming. So when the Knight of Cups appears, it speaks to charm, artistry, grace under pressure, tact, diplomacy, mediation, negotiating, mediating disputes about finances, using creativity to achieve your goals and your financial goals, and it can speak to good financial news as well. And it can also tell us to focus. Now, in the spread, I feel that this card represents Elon Musk. To me, it's saying that, perhaps he can resolve the financial problems that Tesla is facing right now through charm and diplomacy. And this card tells us that we can achieve our financial goals if we channel our creativity. And so, maybe that's the way forward for Tesla and for Elon Musk, is for him to channel his creativity. The Knight of Cups also is a good omen, and it says that financial conditions could see an upswing and that new riches may be on the horizon. So perhaps in the near future, Elon will be able to turn things around, like I said, using his creativity, his charm, and diplomacy, and will be successful in easing the concerns of investors. Maybe he will be Prince Charming coming to the rescue. I think that's what this card is saying in this spread. The next clarity card that I pulled was the Four of Cups reversed. Now, keywords for the Four of Cups reversed would be awareness, acceptance, a positive approach to finances, a willpower to achieve financial goals. It can say that you're ready for a fresh start. It could be the signaling the end of stagnation. It could speak to motivation and enthusiasm and being proactive. So perhaps this card is telling us that Elon will indeed put his nose to the grindstone, and so to speak, and that he'll make a concentrated effort to turn Tesla's financial situation around, which is what I mentioned earlier. But the Four of Cups upright does speak to disillusionment. So in a reversed position, it indicates a more positive mindset and approach to situations and a willingness to turn things around. So I think that's sort of self-evident what that card is trying to say here. Now, the third jumper card that popped out of the deck when I was shuffling was the Strength card, but in a reversed position. And when the Strength card is reversed, it indicates anger, fear, self-doubt, weakness, low confidence, inadequacy. It can represent cowardice, weakness, and insecurity. So I feel in this reading, the Strength card represents Tesla shareholders and other market players that are skeptical about Elon Musk's attempt to turn Tesla's situation around. I feel it speaks to the lack of confidence and concern that the street, unquote, and shareholders have in Elon Musk at the moment. He hasn't really had a lot of good PR in the last little while, and the Twitter situation has shed a different light on Elon and his management style and his capabilities. So maybe the Strength card reversed in this spread is speaking to that. But I do also feel that this card is telling us that shareholders are going to need to have some faith that this troubled time will pass. I've always interpreted the upright Strength card as a need to and being able to soothe the savage beast, so to speak. Now, Elon may have a hard time soothing the concern of shareholders and the market, despite his attempts to do so. So I guess time will tell, and we shall see how that works. So next, we're going to be looking at the bottom of the deck, and like I mentioned earlier, the bottom of the deck, the card to me speaks to market foundations, the foundation of the market sentiment, hidden influences, and hidden meanings. Now, the card that was at the bottom of the deck is a good card, and I was happy to see this card. It was the Ace of Swords. Now, the Ace of Swords, first glance to me always is the card of truth and clarity and new beginnings. It's an ace, and aces are new beginnings. And in a financial reading, the Ace of Swords indicates new financial opportunities, new ideas, new starts, new projects, new goals and ventures. It can speak to intellectual prowess, triumph, success, and clarity. Again, breakthroughs, concentration, and it can represent vision and force, focus, and truth. So, like I said, the Ace of Swords is a good omen in a financial reading. So this card tells us to think logically in regards to our finances and to not let our hearts overrule our heads. Intuitively, I feel that this card is telling us to all take a deep breath and that Tesla's financial situation and share price will turn around. I feel we will see a breakthrough when it comes to Tesla. We will see a new path forward for the company. I intuitively feel that Elon's attempts at addressing Tesla's recent financial woes will be successful. To me, the bottom card speaks to market sentiment as well as hidden forces and hidden meanings, and I feel that this card is telling us that events are happening behind the scenes that will lead to an improvement in Tesla's current financial situation. I also feel that this card speaks to Elon's intellect, his unspoken thoughts and creative ideas, and that there also is positive developments coming for Tesla due to his ideas and creativity. Perhaps there's going to be more clarity surrounding Tesla's future as we move throughout the year, and a breakthrough for Tesla is coming, according to this card. Shareholders and investors need to have faith, need to think logically, and look at the facts and fundamentals and not let their emotions get the best of them when it comes to Tesla. And I think that's the message that the Ace of Swords is telling us right now. We need to focus on facts when we're making decisions and not on our emotions. So, to sum it all up, my intuitive interpretation, Tesla's troubles are going to continue for a while. However, I feel that Elon will step up to the plate and will work hard to address the fears and concerns of shareholders and market players. It's going to take some convincing, however, but there will be a breakthrough, and a new path will emerge for Tesla that will improve the company's financial situation. I sense that investors would be wise to not underestimate Elon Musk and his abilities. A lot of euphoria has been surrounding Tesla for the last while, the last few years for sure. And I think a lot of that euphoria has evaporated. But this is not necessarily a bad thing. The Ace of Swords is telling us to look at the facts and to get to the truth of the matter when it comes to Tesla and its fortunes. So, it's time maybe for some of this euphoric fog to clear and for some reality to settle on Tesla and its business fundamentals and its share price. The Tesla's fundamentals will tell us an accurate story of where the company stands right now and when it comes to its finances. Like I mentioned, a lot of emotion is attached to this stock, and that clouds the true picture when it comes to Tesla and its future growth. The Ace of Swords is a positive card, and as I mentioned, it indicates a breakthrough. And I feel in this reading, it's telling us to have confidence in Elon's intellect and creativity, and that a positive but more realistic future is ahead for Tesla when it comes to its finances and its share price. I also sense an announcement coming, maybe of a new product line or some sort of innovation coming from Tesla and Elon Musk in the not too distant future, and it's going to help elevate the company's finances, and it's going to help with market sentiment as well. So will we see a turnaround for Tesla? Well, the tarot seems to think so. This is the messages that I'm getting from this spread. But I also think that the tarot is telling us that we will have to be patient and that there is more turmoil ahead for Tesla in the near term. But only time will tell. That's it for this reading. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button and leave your comments below. Your support is very much appreciated. See you next time.